Alrighty, class. So today we are going to learn about how to use the website Kahoot. This is a great website to create quizzes that are interactive with the classroom. Every student can log on and answer the questions all at one time. It's also lots of fun because there's some competition involved in the game as you get points for answering correctly, and there is a winner and everyone is ranked throughout it. So when you log into your Kahoot, it should look something like this. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Kahoot. So the first step is you're going to go right over here where it says create new Kahoot. You're going to press that. And then it's going to ask you if you want to choose a template, and you can choose these different templates, but I prefer to just create my own, which is what I opened right now, but I'll go back to show you real quick. You can also do the blank canvas, which is what I have. On the right side of the screen, you can choose different themes. So this one's like a little classroom. If you were doing something about the seasons changing, they have like different seasons, but that's just the background, and that's how you can change that. So the main setup to Kahoot, we're going to be looking on this left side of the screen. This is where we're able to add new questions and add new slides. It's automatically going to open up with a question. And for this assignment, these don't have to be questions that every student confidently knows the answer to. The great thing about Kahoot is that it is not as serious as like a formal exam, and so you can use it as a way to teach. And so I just really like that about this. So right here at the top is where you're going to type in your question that you would want the class to answer. But let's say I want to ask a true or false question. I don't want to ask a multiple choice question. So over here on the right side, I'm able to go to question type, and then right here I have true or false. So I'm going to select that, and then I can enter my question for the class right up here. So my question is going to be, is reducing the same as recycling? And then right here it gives me the options of true or false. This little bouncing circle right here is where you select which answer is accurate. So for this one it's going to be false, so we select that. It also has this great feature right here where you can find and insert media. They do have some Getty images included. Those are typically easier to use when you pay for the service, but for free users you can upload YouTube videos. They have awesome stickers, so I can search recycling right here, and let's see what stickers. I can go through all of these, and this one looks perfect, so I'll put it right there. And then over here I can adjust the amount of time that the question shows for, and I can also adjust based on how difficult the question is, how many points I want to award for it. I feel like this is a standard question, so I'm going to keep it at standard. And then to add another question, we're going to go back to our trusty left side, press add a question, and then it's right here, it's giving us our choice of what type of question. Let's see. So if I wanted a quiz question, I would go right here, could type in my question, all my answers, and you can also add an image instead. Sometimes that can be quicker if the time limit is really short. An image can be really quick processing for questions, which is great. And then again with our media right here, whenever we have fully finished completing our Kahoot, in the top right corner there is a save button. Always make sure to save your work after, or you're gonna have to redo it all over again, and that's really sad. So we're gonna make sure to save our work. It also shows you if anything's incompleted, like for question 2, we didn't select a correct answer and we didn't type anything in, so let me just fill that in really quick. And we'll say this one's correct. And then now that I've completed it, it will let me save it in that top right corner. I can enter a title, reduce, reuse, recycle will be our title. Make sure to use proper grammar and punctuation. And then over here you could type a quick description, and I could just put a quiz to test students' recycling knowledge. Once we do that, hit continue, and it is ready. From here we can either preview it, which is just going to show us as the host what questions and answers, shows how it's going to look when we do present it. We can start it, which would be if we were about to present it to the class, or we could share it to allow others to use the Kahoot.